The number of four-digit number with no two-digit common is. So this is a basic permutation combination question, four-digit number. So if it is a four-digit number, we have four empty spaces to be fulfilled like this. The number of choices in this one can be 9, okay? Except 0, we can take any digit, so 9. The number of digits choices for this is except the number we have choose here, we can take any of the. So here is also 9. And similarly here 8 and here is 7. So there are 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 number of digits, a four-digit number with no two-digit common. And if you calculate this one, you will get option A as answer. Now, the next question is quite about number system, the unit digit of 2 to the power 100. Now, if you take C, if we take powers of 2 and just take care of its cyclicity, 2 to the power 1 has unit digit 2. 2 to the power 2 has unit digit 4. 2 to the power 3 has unit digit 8. 2 to the power 4 has a unit digit 6. Again, 2 to the power 5 has a unit digit of 2. Okay, like this is goes on. Then 2 to the power 6 will have a unit digit of 4. 2 to the power 7 will have a unit digit of 8, and this cycle goes on like that. Okay, so if the number is of the form 4n, like here 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 8, the power is of the form 4n, then it will be 2. The unit digit will be 6. Okay, now here it is 100, and 100 is obviously in the form of 4n, where n is equals to 25, and hence here the unit digit will be equals to 6. This is an easy question and having an easy number. So in question 6, we have to find all those number under 1000 which are relatively prime to 1000. Okay, so in this question we have to find the number, all those numbers which are less than equals to 1000 and is relatively prime to 1000. Okay, so in solving this question, let's do it. So this comes from a basic formulas of number system and all. So this is equals to I 1000, which is equals to pi of 2 cube into 5 cube, which is basically, I can say, is equals to pi 2 cube multiplied by pi 5 cube. Okay, so this will be equals to 2 cube minus 2 square and 5 cube minus 5 square, which is equals to 4 into 100. So 400. So there are 400 relatively prime numbers. Okay, this is the way you can solve it. Now, the next question. So in question 7, it is given that there is a field of 8 elements. Okay, there are a field of 8 elements, and A is a set such that X belongs to F. X to the power 7 equals to 1, X to the power K equals to not equals to 1 for all natural numbers which are less than 7. Then the number of elements in A is, okay, you have to find out this one, number of element in A is. So let me write down the solution beside. Okay. So as I mentioned in the question, let's go by that rule. Now, the F is a field of 8 elements. 8 elements. This was of question 7. Okay. So F is a field of 8 elements, and F star, if I take F star, this is equals to F minus 0, and this is a cyclic group of order 7. Okay, of order 7. Now, if star is isomorphic to Z7, okay, is isomorphic to Z7. Now, A is equals to all those x belonging to F such that x to the power 7 equals to 1, and the rest you know that x to the power k is not equals to 1 for all those k is less than 7. Okay. Now, if you know this, therefore, I can say that all elements, since it is isomorphic to Z7, therefore all elements of therefore all elements in A are of order 7. Are of order 7, and if x belongs to A, then x belongs to F not. Okay, ठीक है ये वाला चीज, and hence because F is isomorphic to this one Z7, and this we derive from a simple property of group. So in F star, the number of 7 order element is phi 7, which is equals to 6, which is equals to the number of elements, in A equals to 6. So this implies the number of elements in A is equals to 6. So option D is correct. Okay. So therefore option D is the correct answer here.